Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy C-Spec Kurt, man. Who is it?
C-Spec Kurt.
Yeah, C-Spec Kurt, man. I'm out here today, and we have installed the Pioneer ND Bc8 camera, okay? Bc8 rear view backup camera, and it looks amazing, guys. As you can see, I did the curbside pickup on this thing right here. Got this thing scooped up, and yeah, awesome little thing, man. Awesome little thing. But yeah, I got to install. Isaiah, put that down. Let me see. Let me see. Put it down. Put it down. What are you not hearing? Did you not just hear me say put it down?
Yes.
Don't make me have to keep repeating myself to you. Alright, guys, so as you can see right here, I made the install in the tailgate of the truck. And it was fairly easy. As you can see, it's very clean. It's kind of pretty inconspicuous. It's not like out in this, not like a sore thumb right here where the tag goes. Not have to worry about moving it every time you change your license plate out. And it's very easy, guys. Only thing I had to do is I took these 3 screws right here, took them all out, which allowed the tailgate handle to be loose. Pop this outer bezel out, which has 2 to 3 retaining clips in it. One here, one here. It might be another one here. I'm not for sure, but it comes right on out. Then I ran the tailgate. Taking this out allows you to see through the bed. So I had it open.
Daddy, can we taste something?
Really? Why is my tailgate not opening?
Dad?
I broke the retaining clip for the rod. Isaiah. Chance, come here. Isaiah. Hard-headed kids. Okay, but go in the house. But yeah, I broke the clip that retains the rod on one side, so it looked like it popped up out of there. So it's all good. But anyway, this is what we got going on. Alright, I got my wire. I ran it out. And I'm about to run this through the truck. So what I had to do was remove this step rail. I drilled a hole here with a 3/8 drill bit, and I kind of wallow it out a little bit, like so I can have room to get my harness through right here. So now I can go in like this. Like that. What up, bro? Like that. And then I'm gonna feed it through here, through that hole right there that you can see on the other side. And then I'm gonna run it on back to the back. So that's how you can run your wire to the bed of the truck from the inside without going on the outside. So it should make for a pretty clean install. And yeah, that's pretty much all to it. Alright, so as you can see, I did my seat raise right here with the LMI welding company kit. You can check that out in another video. Just check out my channel on the 2500 HD in the playlist, and you will see that. But let's go over here and check it out.
I'm going to house now, babe.
Come on, y'all. So about to check some footage out. Get down. No, get down, because Daddy about to get down. Step back down. Check this footage out. Let's see some features of the camera. Right. Got the backup camera installed, the Pioneer Bc8. So let me show you an awesome thing right here with the Bc8 Pioneer. You can go in here into settings and see camera settings, and you can adjust your parking assist, guys. See that? It's all the way up here. You can put that thing wherever you want to. Bringing this down here. Voila, like that. Get all your lines set up. Whatever you need to do. Alright, so definitely a plus for this. Put them lines wherever you need them to be. Check that out. Voila. Pull up, hop out. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna play around with that some more though, till I get that thing figured all the way out. But yeah, man, everything is lovely. Just want to share that with you. Alright, that's a DVD I got currently up in there. But let's go check out how I mounted this backup camera though. As you can see, I got my wires here in a cluster, man. Cluster 4. And you know I gotta get this. I gotta get this antenna. This is my GPS antenna. I gotta get this mounted up. I didn't even hook up my HDMI cord up. If I need it, I go in there and hook all that stuff up another day. It's no biggie. Snatch the bezel off, pull the radio out, voila, get it up in there. As you can see, I got a bruise right there, man, trying to reach up behind stuff. But hey, that's what it is. I got my power wire already ran. I got my audio video. I got my audio cable ran for my amplifier. This for the camera. No, this for the navigation. And this is for the backup camera. I'm gonna probably run all this stuff across here and down this side pillar, down in the back. Or I may go up underneath here. I'm trying to decide still. Definitely the easiest alternative. But real quick, check this out before it starts raining. This is where I mounted my camera, guys. See that right there? Nice inconspicuous place. It don't stand out like a sore thumb. It's kind of factory looking. It's not down here. And all you gotta do is you just gotta pop these 3 screws out right here, 13mm wrench socket. After that, pry around the edge of this. There's 2 retainers that this just pops out. When you pop that out, everything comes out. Gives you a clear view to see down in there. To make sure your tailgate's down, use a clothes hanger. Run it from here to the bottom corner. I got the wire coming out right down here in the corner, and at that point I was able to fish it on through and pull it in, guys. And now I'm just gonna get it nice and clean up underneath the truck and everything, and we're gonna go from there. But all in all, very clean install. It's getting ready to rain out here. It's trying to rain on my parade, man. What the heck? I might just pull this in the garage and wrap it on up. But yeah, man, that concludes the install of the camera though. This, matter of fact, this is the box right here. It's a Pioneer Bc8 camera. After you determine what hose you want to use as far as running your wire, put your clothes hanger through the hole, bring it out of the other side, which I just did. Once you do so, you tape a piece of wire or string to it, and then you feed the clothes hanger back out and pull the string through. And at that point, you tie the string to the wire that you want to run, and then you pull it back through, allowing you to get everything in. So, because a clothes hanger in this harness is not gonna go too well going through all these curves and stuff, but you get something like this, it'll follow right through those curves and pull it right on through. So I just want to show you that little quick tidbit, guys, and hope it proves beneficial to you running your cable for your camera install or any other install. Okay.